Imagine waking up lighter not because of some harsh diet but because of what you sipped before bed. Sounds too good to be true? Well, science says otherwise. In the next 5 minutes, we've uncovered 3 nighttime drinks proven to boost metabolism and enhance fat burn while you snooze. No gimmicks, just solid evidence. From an ancient Ayurvedic remedy to a fruity juice loaded with sleep-friendly compounds, these might be the easiest weight loss tweaks you'll ever make. Tart cherry juice doesn't just taste amazing, it's your sleep and slim secret weapon. A study from the European Journal of Nutrition found that people who drank tart cherry juice before bed slept longer and better. Why does this matter? Because bad sleep equals belly fat. Melatonin, the sleep hormone, is boosted by tart cherry juice, and when your sleep is dialed in, your metabolism works like a well-oiled machine, which means your body burns fat more efficiently. Plus, it is packed with antioxidants that reduce inflammation, which plays a big role in how your body stores fat. But here is where it gets crazy. In some studies, tart cherry juice helped reduce belly fat directly by lowering cortisol, the main stress hormone, which is linked to weight gain around the midsection. Think cherry juice is powerful. Wait until you hear about this next ancient fat-busting drink. This one comes from ancient Ayurveda, but it has got modern science to back it up. Golden milk is a blend of turmeric and warm milk, and it does more than just make you sleepy. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound shown to reduce fat tissue growth, lower blood sugar, and supercharge your metabolism during rest. And warm milk is packed with tryptophan, the same sleepy compound blamed for those post-Thanksgiving naps. But that is not even the best part. A recent study found that curcumin can help your body turn white fat, the stubborn one that sticks around, into brown fat, which burns calories by generating heat. And the result is a better sleep, fat burn, and blood sugar control. And here's the bonus tip. Add a pinch of black pepper to golden milk. It can increase curcumin absorption by up to 2000%. You might already have the next drink in your kitchen, and it is shockingly effective. You have been sleeping on this one, literally. Cinnamon tea is the underrated fat-burning hero no one is talking about. Here is why. It helps regulate blood sugar, which means less fat storage and fewer late-night cravings. In a 2020 study published in Clinical Nutrition, cinnamon was shown to improve insulin sensitivity and promote fat breakdown even at rest. Translation: less sugar stored as fat and more fat is used as fuel. Plus, it keeps your core temperature slightly elevated during sleep, a subtle trick that helps your body burn more calories overnight. Now here is a question that nobody's asking. What happens if you combine 2 or more of these drinks? What if I told you that combining 2 of these drinks at the wrong time could actually cancel out their fat-burning effects because of how certain ingredients interact in your metabolism? That's right. Some pairings might actually block the benefits, but others, they work in synergy, boosting your fat burn like rocket fuel. Now a quick quiz time. Which drink do you think is the most powerful? A. Tart cherry juice. B. Golden milk. C. Cinnamon tea. Drop your answer in the comments. We'll reveal the winning combo soon. Here's your nighttime fat-burning cheat sheet. Stressed? Go for tart cherry juice, 30 minutes before bed. Need better sleep and metabolism boost? Golden milk is your go-to. Cravings and blood sugar issues? Cinnamon tea for the win. For max results, rotate them or try this magical combo. Golden milk and cinnamon tea. Deep sleep, metabolism, and sugar control in one cozy cup. These aren't gimmicks. They're backed by real science. And honestly, it might be the laziest, easiest way to burn fat while you sleep. Think these drinks are powerful? Wait until you pair them with a simple 60-second bedtime movement that takes things to the next level. That's coming in the next video if this one gets enough likes. So smash that like button, hit subscribe, and don't miss what could be the easiest 60-second fat burning move ever. Sleep well, burn fat, and as always, stay curious.